I hope you didn't want your shirt.
That's my new shirt. I don't care. He won't ruin it. It's just my American Eagle shirt.
He likes the smell of it.
The sweaty shirt.
Do you like that?
What is he doing?
I don't know. Read it. Oh. Do you want it? Read it.
My dress too.
He just likes the smell of your house. Maybe it's the dogs. Or Max. Max makes him.
Max doesn't go inside anymore, really.
Do you have catnip in it, baby? You should get my cat to like you, so you put catnip in her clothes.
No, he doesn't like me. He likes my clothes. He's a name brand cat. He's trying to wear it.
No reason to act like this.
He's licking it.
He's rubbing himself in it. Aw.
What is he doing?
It's yummy. Oops.
I love it.
He's ripping up the kit tag. Is that good, Peyton? That's lovely.
You're not allowed to take it. Put
Taking
the dress on him. I think he was trying to cuddle with that too.
I don't think so.
He was.
No.
Put the shirt on him too.
Nope. Hi. What is he doing?
He's trying to get it off his head.
I think he's trying to put it back on. What? Can you take it off?
He's got his head pulled up.
Peyton, what you doing? What you doing? Your head stuck in that? Does not look happy. You are happy, kitty? Hmm? Oh, I'll take it off. Get it off, Peyton. Shake it off. We're good?